Ka na. Congratulations!
Thank you so much.
Ayan. First question, what is the story of this film na you are very proud na ikwento sa magiging Sine Panalo audience?
Go.
So yung story po namin is, it's a comedy drama. Ang title namin is Road to Happy, and it's about a self-proclaimed celebrity. And it's being played by Vijay Mendoza.
Parang real life. Charot.
Medyo.
Medyo. So, Harold, yung aming main character, is on his way to Antimoan, Quezon para sa isang Fiesta hosting gig. So, pinag-drive siya ni Mang Larry, played by Smokey Manaloto. And along the way, bigla nila na-discover na mayroong homeless girl na nakikihitch ng rider sa bahay nila. So, along the way, mayroong mga mishaps, may mga misadventures, but then at the end of the day, may mga life lessons.
So, ganun lang kasimple yung premise niya.
Parang si bata ba yung parang magiging, parang siya yung mag-ignite doon sa...
Yeah, kasi basically yung character ni Harold, he's the type of person na he's trying to chase yung mga superficial things in life. Yung, let's say, yung in the social media world right now, yung iba, merong mga tao na you wanted the validation from the likes, the followers, and all. But si Happy, yung aming little girl, siya yung mag-remind kay Harold na minsan yung mga important things in life, it's actually the simple ones. And sa story na to, it's as simple as having a family that you can go home to.
Ganun lang kasimple yung premise niya. Basically, torn lang siya kung paano niya pupuntahan yung racket niya, tapos paano niya, anong gagawin niya sa bata. Kasi hindi naman niya pwedeng dalhin. So, dun magre-revolve yung story. So, very simple premise, pero exciting siya. Joel Ferrer movie to, so...
Yeah.
Maganda.
Ano pakiramdam? Lead star level?
Ano pakiramdam, Billy?
Hindi ko pa naiisip.
Did you audition for this or you were selected?
No, we're co-producing.
Okay.
So, talagang ano,
Ano bang tawag sa ganun?
we collaborated
Concept?
in conceptualizing the story. So, nag-brainstorm kami what we wanted to submit.
Story.
Panalo.
Screenplay by,
Me and then
story by kami dalawa.
Ah.
Kasi nasa last year pa.
Bakit? So parang inspired ba to by your story?
Hindi naman, parang nasa bakasyon ako noon, nagja-jogging ako sa Thailand. Umaga, tumawag siya, sabi niya, parang gusto magbakasyon ng pamilya nila sa Thailand. Tapos naisip ko, di ba pag nasa bakasyon, parang yun yung time na medyo...
Like, nakapa-reflect ka.
Yun, na-luminous. Gusto ko magsulat. Marunong siya, kailangan ko ng co-writer. So sabi ko, meron akong story sa utak ko. Dinevelop namin ng dinevelop. So, through the course of April to December, rewrite kami. Nasa gym ako, nagre-write siya. So, hanggang sa nabuo to.
Ano pakiramdam niya? I mean, you're not new, di ba?
Very grateful. Sobrang...
Ito na ba yun?
Pag natapos namin yung film, saka siya magsisink in. Pero sobrang...
Did you start na ba?
Yes, halfway na kami.
Halfway na kami. Now, three remaining days. Shooting.
Siyempre happy, sobra. Kasi... Ano din parang...
Pressured.
Pressured, tsaka parang... Alam mo yun, parang di ko din akalain na... May mga stories pa pala na... Kasi okay na ako eh, diba? Like, lagi ko nasasabi sa interviews, diba? Happy na ako basta may work. So, nagulat din ako na, okay. So, happy.
Pero ano to, yung makikita namin sa'yo is dramedy na busy. Ganon ang drama.
Ano na lang. Kasi, no expectations. Parang, sana magustuhan nyo. Pero, yun.
Actually,
sobrang happy ko.
When we did the first draft, of course, na syempre babalikan namin, di ba, pag-design namin together. And at some point, parang we agreed naman na yung first draft, nakuha niya yung mga gusto namin. And there are parts na natawa kami, there are parts na nag-detailing kami. But I think nag-evolve din yung screenplay where the director came in. Because of course, may ibang treatment yung director. And I think yung very particular about it is
Kasi yun naman yung medyo brand din niya as a director. Pero how is it with Smokey? Tama ba, Smokey? At bakit siya yung napili ninyo na ano?
That's a good question. Excited kami kwento yan. So, it's actually one challenge nung casting namin because we were surprised that yung age bracket pala na gusto namin, which is 50 above, it's hard to find an actor who knows how to drive. So parang we had this list of actors and every time that we're trying to contact each one, babalik sabi si PJ.
Hindi marunong mag-drive.
Hindi marunong mag-drive. Tapos,
Required talaga.
Tapos driver siya eh. So at a certain point, naka-on call kami, brainstorming who to contact next. And then for some reasons, my train of thought ko went like, because for Manlali, we wanted someone who's very fatherly, but at the same time, like, unintentionally funny kind of guy. Tapos, so, your train of thought was like, comedy, Dolphy, whom along the Riles.
Yes.
Smokey Manaloto. So what is Smokey doing now? So Google ka na natin. Oh, yung itsura ni Smokey ngayon really fits the Manglari character. But at the same time, there's a lot of articles.
February, available siya ng January. February pa siya mag-shoot sa series niya.
Okay.
Sabi ko sakto.
Plus, there's this really heartwarming article about him na first-time father siya.
Yes. Just recently nga.
Really just checks the box. Fatherly and unintentionally funny. Right. Siya talaga yung Manglari namin.
Tsaka sobrang dali ka work, promise.
Yeah.
Ay, grabe. Grabe, sobrang dali niya ka work.
Nahira, ano ka ba? Pero nangapa ka ba in terms of banter and all?
Mabait talaga siya eh. Hindi ka may ilang. Collaborative, mabait. Wala. Tapos, pag wala sa eksena, nag-direct-fix lang siya. Nanonood lang siya.
Okay.
Hindi siya, like, hindi mo siya kailangan masyadong tutukan sa set.
Yung hindi siya alagain,
Yes,
parang ganon.
Siyempre, ibibigay namin lahat
Although,
sa
yeah,
actors
of
naman.
course.
Pero like, ano siya? Sabi ko, Sir Smokey, set up pa. Wala, nood. Pagbaba ng acting, direction.
Saka, bakit personally, what I really like about Smokey sa performance niya is, ramdam mo talaga na, very collaborative yung energy niya as an actor. Kasi, whether he's playing a part na may eksena siya with PJ, or may eksena siya with the kid, or our kid is, a first time
Galing Mini-Miss You.
for a feature film. Talagang, sumasabay lang yung energy, alam mo yun?
Hindi siya nangingialam, hindi siya nag-overstep.
Hindi nag-upstage yung performance niya. Talagang sakto lang. Sinasabayan niya yung performance ng bata.
Buti yung sa bata naman, did you find it challenging? Considering na
Magaling si Joe.
first time or buti na lang din, napaka-authentic ng bata, genuine yung
Pero
ano niya.
sobrang fit siya for the role.
Magaling yung bata.
Even yung mga banters, even during the audition,
Ang dami niya
nagulat
ad-lib.
kami among the auditionist, siya lang yung nag-a-adlib. Tapos yung mga ad-libs, yung mga improvs niya, pasok na sa character ni Happy.
Kasi yung bata is parang precocious, yung parang matanda magsalita.
Okay.
Ganun siya sa totoong buhay. Magugulat ka na lang. Yung mga ad-lib siya na nakakatawa. Plus si Joel pala is very good with child artistas from yung work niya siya nag-cast sa Honor Thy Father ni Eric Mati.
Okay.
Siya din nag-cast kay Miel Espinosa sa
And even in his own film,
sa Elise. Tapos yun, so very good siya sa kids. Like pag let's say wala sa mood yung bata or nahahype, ang galing. Sobrang makikipag-banter lang siya. Okay na yung bata. Focus na naman sa bata eh. Sabi ko, sakto pa lang talaga. Perfect yung nakuha namin director for this.
Parang na-excite ako dun sa yung chemistry nung tatlo. Ganyan. Para siyang road trip movie na... Ay, pero saang location daw? Parang papunta ka saan?
papunta kami yung Quezon. Doon sa
Okay. Parang road trip movie na parang may sentimental and...
Yes. Kasi may silang dalawa. Kasi siya parang, alam mo yung... may peg.
Yeah.
Sabi mo natin yung peg. Parang Carlos Agassi-ish Ganun.
Yeah, actually,
Influencer, celebrity na medyo parang...
Ay, yung parang so full of himself,
Yes,
na parang...
Ano ba yun?
Oo, yeah.
Medyo ganun.
So, sabi mo kasi Carlos Agassi, charot lang!
Pero ganun yung aura lang, maangas, na parang, ganun. So, kaklash sila ng bata. Tapos, taga-gitna, si Smokey nasa gitna lagi.
parang the kid is always contradicting him, so it kind of humbles him.
Nakahanap siya ng katapat sa
And at
bata.
the same time,
Nice.
Cute, di ba?
oo. Tapos si Manong Larry, if sabi ko nga, the way I described it earlier in the process was, if meron tayong Jiminy Cricket, kung pinoperate ko, si Manong Larry yung Jiminy Cricket kasi, kumbaga parang, marami pa siya, so hindi niya maboboss si si Harold. But at the same time, siya yung konsensya ni Harold.
Wow, exciting!
Tulungan mo kami sa promo.
Yeah!
Kita ulit.
Please invite everyone to support March 15 to 17, Gateway Cinemas.
Yes, please do support our film, Road to Happy. It's part of Cine Panalo's feature film program. And also please do support the directors alongside namin, sila si Greg Bernardo, Ryan Brizuela,
Rain Brizuela, Eugene Torres,
Carlo.
Sigrid Bernardo, Carlo
Obispo.
Obispo, sino ba ba?
No, sir, forgetting.
Kasi 6 po kami. Ayan. Pero unahin yun na po kami. This coming
Yeah.
March 15
To 17.
I think may extend hanggang
2 days.
2 days, so 17 to 19 sa Gateway Cinemas po yan. Road to Happy po, starring yours truly, VJ Mendoza, Smokey Manaloto, Darlene.
Sala.
Oh, at marami pa pong iba, directed by Joel Ferrer. Ayun, makita-kita po tayo sa sinihan.
Yay! Exciting! Thank
so
you!
much.